So hopefully you've read your picture book. I'm going to read mine to you on the next slide, but I want to show what you have to do with the book that you have read. So you've read the book, you know what happened at the beginning, you know what happened in the middle, and you know what happened at the end. And you're going to draw and write about that on a piece of paper. So you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to fold it into 3 pieces. You take your piece of paper and you fold it over to just over the middle, and then you take the other side and you fold it up. So you should open it up and hopefully you have got 3 pieces. And then on them you write beginning, middle, and end. So this is what you're going to do your work on. If you just want to draw 3 boxes on a piece of paper, that's fine too. If you're writing in a book, just draw 1, 2, 3 lines, whatever you like, as long as we can see you have the beginning, the middle, and the end, just like you can see on this slide. Because what you're going to do is you're going to write and draw about the character. Remember, the character is the person or the animal in the story. And you're going to write about them, what happens at the beginning, the middle, and the end. And on the next slide, I'm going to show you what I did. So if you want to watch it first before you do your work, you can. Or if you want to do your work and watch it, then you can as well. It's up to you. Sorry, I'm not very good with the camera. I'm trying. Thank you.